Welcome to Orage Technologies. Ever found a captivating video and wondered where it originally came from? Well, we've got the solution for you: reverse video search. In this video, we'll show you how to use this incredible tool and why it's a game changer. What is a reverse video search? So, what exactly is a reverse video search? Well, we often use search engines to find information by entering keywords, right? But a reverse search flips the script. It involves taking a video or image and locating every web page where that specific content appears. Reasons to use reverse video search. There are some pretty awesome use cases. 1. Find the source of a video. Have you ever stumbled upon a hilarious or valuable video? Reverse video search can help you locate the original source and connect you to the creator and related content. 2. Find duplicate videos. If you are a content producer, this tool is your secret weapon to identify copycats and protect your work. 3. Find the full version of a video clip. Ever seen an intriguing video snippet and wanted to watch the whole thing? Reverse video search can often track down the complete video. 4. Find related content. Discover more exciting content related to your video by using reverse search. It's like having your very own content treasure map. How to conduct a reverse video search? Here are the most effective methods for conducting a reverse video search, especially when you are using Google. Take a screenshot of a distinctive frame from the video. Head to Google Images and click on the camera icon. Upload the screenshot. Google will return the search results for your screenshot. Easy, right? Whether you are a curious viewer, a content creator, or just someone who loves discovering new content, this is a game changer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.